will learn that how to protect the worksheet and a workbook. Start. So I have a one sheet here and it contains some data. So it has almost 6 columns and we want to protect that so that other users should not make some changes to this data. So the first step is entirely select this spreadsheet and then go to review tab. So all the protect related stuff is available in the review tab where you will find the protect group. So we start with the protect sheet. So I will click on protect sheet and you can also you can protect all these features as well. By default, it protects the select lock cell and select unlock cell. The password is basically a case sensitive here and also optional. So let me apply one password. I will press OK and it will ask me to re-enter the password. So I will apply a same password. Remember that the passwords are case sensitive. So now I cannot make any changes. And if I make any changes, Excel will restrict me that the cell or chart you are trying to change is protected and you need a password to basically unprotect it. But the point is that the other cells which does not contain a data is also protected. And now this time what we want to is to protect the data, but also we want to unprotect the other cells so that the user can write their commentary or comments or any other thing you would like to. So how gonna we do that? So let me first unprotect this so I can write again. And there are 3 steps for doing that. If you want to protect a certain part in an Excel spreadsheet and to remain unlocked, the other part, the first step is to select the entire worksheet and just right click anywhere. And from this contextual menu, click on Format Cells. So it will open a dialog window of Format Cells. Go to the last step, which is of protection, and uncheck Lock and press OK. Now select the data and then right click, go to again same option, that is Format Cells, and in the Protection tab, check the Lock option and press OK. And the last step is go to the product sheet, apply the password and re-enter the password and press OK. So now this time when a user comes to your data and makes certain changes, the user will not be able to make changes. But if you want to use some other cells, he can use those cells, right? So this is how we made a certain protected a certain range and unprotect a certain range. So this was about protecting a sheet. But remember that if you have multiple worksheets in one workbook and you are apply a protection sheet of a feature in the sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3 will not get protected. So this means that every time we go to one other sheet and then it goes protected. Alright, let's discuss protect workbook. What is protect workbook? So as a structure in earlier videos, I told you that when you work on Excel, you get an Excel workbook. And within an Excel workbook, you have the worksheets. So a worksheet has a structure. For example, if I come right click on sheet 1 at the bottom, you can see I can insert a new sheet. From here, I can delete the existing sheet, I can rename the existing sheet, and I can move this existing sheet to another place, just like I can drag and drop. Or I can move this sheet to another workbook, just like I can click on move and copy, and I can say that I want a new workbook and create a copy. Or what else I can do? I can view the code. If I have applied any code, I can protect the sheet from here as well. I can assign a color as well for this particular tab. I can hide this sheet as well. Right? Okay. So what if I want to disable all these features? For doing that, I will go to Review tab, Protect Workbook. Again, the password is optional and also a case sensitive. So I will apply a password here. It will ask to re-enter the password. And now when I come back to this option or right click, you can see that now I cannot insert, delete, rename, move and copy or even hide the existing sheet. And it applies on all sheets because we have used the feature of protect the workbook, which consists of all the sheets. If I want to unprotect it again, I will click on it and apply the same correct password and it will enable all options for me again. Another kind of protection in the Microsoft Excel is available in the File tab, Info, and here Protect Workbook, and this utility is encrypt with password. So this is a kind of a password. When you open the Excel workbook, it will ask you to give the password. Then it will open a workbook. Remember that if you forget this password, it will not recover. Thank you.